Good morning, this is Rich, and just want to give everybody a quick update on the markets this morning before the open. Things called a little bit easier this morning. Corn called 1 to 2 lower, beans 2 to 3, wheat called 6 to 8 cents lower. Here in the overnight trade, September corn down 1.5 at 7.30 3/4, Dece corn down 1 1/4 at 7.42 1/4, March corn down 1 1/4 at 7.53 3/4, November beans down 2 3/4 at 13.90, Jan beans down 3 1/4 at $14, and March down 2 3/4 at 14.03 1/4. And Sep wheat in Chicago down 8 cents at 7.49 1/4. Yesterday was day 4 of the Pro Farmer Crop Tour. They found Iowa corn yield at 164.6. That's down 3% from last year and down about 12.5 bushels from USDA's August number. Minnesota yield, on the contrary, was at 175.9. That was about 9.9 bushels above USDA's August number. Still 5% down from last year's number. Their 7-state average was 155.8 compared to 153 from USDA, but keep in mind that's just 7 states through the center of the Corn Belt. So be interesting to see how that relates to USDA's numbers when we get those in September. Bean pod counts out of Iowa and Minnesota, both about 120 below last year in both states, so that's a significant drop there. There was a sale of corn this morning, 366,000 tons to an unknown destination. The trade kind of assuming, maybe because it was unknown, that it could be China, both for this coming year and also some of it for 2012-13 marketing year. So that may be a supportive factor here for the markets as well. Chairman Bernanke is supposed to give a speech here at 9 o'clock a.m. Central Time, and the trade eagerly awaiting his comments to see whether or not they're going to include something about a stimulus package. I don't know what the effects of that would be. Certainly I would think it would be favorable to stocks, at least at the open, but we're waiting to hear that speech, the results of that speech here shortly. So we expect a little lower opening, and we'll see how we close.